How can you use dual WhatsApp numbers on a single iPhone? Official method explained. Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll be exploring the official method to use two WhatsApp numbers on a single iPhone. As you can see here, I've successfully installed and set up two separate WhatsApp applications on this one device. So let's get started with our video. To begin with, please open the App Store on your iPhone and search for the WhatsApp Business application. Once located, simply tap on it and proceed to download it onto your device. Next, tap on Open to launch the application. Upon opening, kindly review and accept the terms and agreements to proceed further with the setup process. On the following screen, you will be prompted to allow or disallow notifications based on your preference. Once you've made your selection, kindly tap on Use a different number to proceed. On the next screen, please select your country or region from the list and then enter your second phone number to proceed with the setup. After entering your number, you will be prompted to review and confirm it. Kindly tap on Yes to proceed, which will initiate the process of receiving a security code for verification and access. Please enter the security code sent to the phone number you provided earlier in order to validate and complete the verification process. If you have previously backed up your data, you will now have the option to restore it and continue using your chats and media seamlessly. Next, tap on Next to proceed. On the following prompt, you may choose to allow or deny access to your contacts depending on your preference for using WhatsApp. Please proceed by entering your name and setting up your profile to complete the initial setup process. Now, kindly complete the remaining prompts according to your preferences to gain full access to WhatsApp. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and set up a second WhatsApp account on your iPhone. As you can see, we now have two fully functional WhatsApp applications on a single device. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.